Good morning, students. Welcome in your social science class. Today we are going to start a new lesson of history, lesson 9, establishment of company rule in India. Vasco da Gama landed at Calicut in 1498 and marked the beginning of European era in Indian history. Vasco da Gama was a sailor and he landed at Calicut. Calicut was a seaport in Kerala in 1498. Vasco da Gama landed at Calicut, in Kerala, that is a coastal area and seaport in Kerala. And when he reached at Calicut, it started the coming of European era it started the coming of European in Indian history. By 16th century, the Portuguese has established their colony in India. As I have told that Vasco da Gama landed at Calicut in 1498. It is very important to know that Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese, and as he was Portuguese, he landed first time in India, and Portuguese, that's why Portuguese established their colony first in Goa. They control in the area of Goa politically. Okay, the first power, European power that come in India was Portuguese. Okay, Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese as he was the citizen of Portugal. In the next century, the India became a popular destination for a large number of European traders. After Portuguese, many other European powers started to come in India for trading, for adventure, and for missionaries from England, Spain, France, and Holland. Many other European powers from England, Spain, France, and Holland started to come in India for many purposes like trading, for adventurers, and for missionaries for to propagate their religion. At the age of imperialism in India began with the awakening and eventually the disintegration of Mughal Empire. The European powers started to settle in India, that they come in India. It was the result of disintegration of Mughal Empire. As you know that Mughal Empire was a strong empire in India, and it controlled the whole India very strongly, very efficiently. The lack of strong central authority led to the emergence of many independent states that revolted against the weak successor of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb was the last powerful emperor of Mughal Empire. After the death of Aurangzeb, there was no strong central authority, or you can say there was no strong ruler in Mughal Empire that can control the whole Mughal Empire like Aurangzeb or many other Mughal emperor. Lack of strong authority, no strong authority or no strong king was in Mughal Empire. Many independent states started revolt, and they established independent state like Bengal, Awadh, Hyderabad, and Mysore. Sikh, Marathas, and Rajput and Jats also set up their own kingdom. There was no strong empire like Mughal Empire that can face or stop the foreign power in India. And it was very easy for any foreign power to defeat these small states like Bengal, Awadh, Hyderabad, and Mysore. European power also defeat Sikh, Maratha, Rajput, and Jats, and that many European power took the advantages of the situation. Trading companies. Many European trading company established their trading center in coastal area of India. many European powers started to come in India, and these companies, these foreign powers, or you can say European power, come in India for trade, and they set up their trading center in coastal area. Okay, it is very important to know two terms: first colonism and second imperialism. Okay, colonism, when it is a term when a country lost its independence. Okay, this is called the colonialism. And imperialism, when a power, or you can say any country, try to extend their power, try to extend or expand their territory. Okay, this is called imperialism. Like India lost its independence and India come under the rule of British. Okay, that's why we call the colony of British expand their power. Okay, and many countries come under the power of British. Okay, that's why British called this term called is imperialism. Okay, British is called imperialism power and India is called the colonism. Okay, we were the colony of British because we lost our independence and come under British rule. Now, when many European trading company established their trading center in coastal area of India. Okay, these trading centers were called factories. Factory is a place where factor or official work is done. Clear? And European power fortified. These factories were fortified. Fortified mean these factories having a long wall to protect themselves from the other rival powers. Like many other European power also come in India, like Holland, Spain, France, okay, Portuguese. Many trading other companies were also there, and these European factories fortified their factories to safeguard from the rival trading companies, means to protect themselves from their enemies. They bought spices, cotton, textile, indigo. Indigo is a dyeing powder, okay, which is used to dye or color the clothes. And saltpeter. Saltpeter is a raw material for making gunpowder. Okay, these companies bought these things at cheap rate from India and sold them in Europe and America at high prices. Okay, the huge profit margin led to the competition among the foreign trading companies. Okay, many trading companies started competition with each other to gain maximum profit. Eventually, the other trading companies had to bow out to the England and France companies, who remained the main rivals in India. As I have told that many European power came in India, okay, for the trade, but at last two power remain in India, first English and then French. Okay, these were the main two companies, and many revolts or many wars were held between these two companies. Okay, next, East India Company. The history of the world has not witnessed a more amazing story than that of establishment of British Empire in India. In the world, there is no amazing story, interesting story, okay, as East India Company has an interesting story in India, how they set up their trading center in India. It was a very interesting story. It was not a result of deliberate efforts, but a series of episodes that finally led to the politically dominance of India by the East India Company. East India Company make many efforts, and not only make many efforts but also